Imagine waking up one day and discovering that an entire sea had disappeared. Not a lake, not a river, an entire ocean-sized body of water. Millions of years ago, something like this may have actually happened. The Mediterranean Sea, one of the largest seas on Earth, may have almost completely dried up, and the event that caused it was one of the most dramatic geological disasters in Earth's history. Scientists call it the Messinian salinity crisis. Today, the Mediterranean Sea is surrounded by some of the world's most famous landscapes. Europe lies to the north, Africa to the south, and the Middle East to the east. This sea has supported civilizations for thousands of years. But millions of years before humans existed, this entire region looked completely different. Instead of blue water stretching across the horizon, there may have been enormous salt deserts and deep valleys carved into the seafloor. Something had drained the sea, and understanding how that happened begins with a simple geological question. What happens when an ocean becomes isolated from the rest of the world's waters? All oceans on Earth are connected, but what if one of those connections suddenly closed? Millions of years ago, the narrow gateway between the Atlantic Ocean and the Mediterranean began to disappear. And when that happened, the consequences were extraordinary. The Mediterranean Sea receives water from many rivers, but it also loses enormous amounts of water through evaporation. In fact, the Mediterranean evaporates faster than rivers can refill it. Normally, this loss is balanced by water flowing in from the Atlantic Ocean through a narrow channel called the Strait of Gibraltar. But around 6 million years ago, tectonic movements began altering this region. The collision between the African plate and the Eurasian plate slowly raised land between the Atlantic and the Mediterranean. As mountains rose and land shifted, the connection between the oceans may have gradually closed. The Mediterranean was becoming isolated, and without a constant supply of Atlantic water, something extraordinary began to happen. The sea started to shrink. What happens when a massive sea is cut off from the ocean that feeds it? The answer is simple. It begins to disappear. Once the connection to the Atlantic weakened or closed, evaporation became the dominant force shaping the Mediterranean basin. Under the hot climate of the region, enormous volumes of water began evaporating into the atmosphere. Year after year, the sea level dropped. Shallow regions dried first. Coastlines retreated farther and farther from their original positions. The once vast Mediterranean slowly transformed into a shrinking series of salty lakes. But the process did not stop there. As evaporation continued, salt began accumulating on the seafloor. Layer upon layer of minerals formed across the basin. Some of these deposits were hundreds of meters thick. Today, scientists can still detect these massive salt layers buried beneath the Mediterranean seabed. They are silent evidence of a sea that once nearly vanished. Imagine standing at the bottom of a sea that no longer exists. Above you, the cliffs rise thousands of meters high, and all around you lies a vast desert made entirely of salt. At the peak of the Messinian salinity crisis, the Mediterranean basin may have been almost completely dry. Instead of water, enormous salt plains covered the region. Temperatures would have been extremely high. Rivers flowing from Europe and Africa carved deep canyons as they rushed down toward the shrinking basin. Some scientists believe the Mediterranean seafloor may have been more than 3 kilometers below the surrounding oceans. The landscape would have looked otherworldly. A massive sunken desert surrounded by towering cliffs. One of the most extreme environments on Earth. But the story was not over, because eventually, the barrier between the Atlantic and Mediterranean would break. And when it did, the result may have been one of the largest floods in planetary history. What happens when the ocean suddenly finds a path into a basin thousands of meters below sea level? The result may have been one of the most powerful floods Earth has ever experienced. Around 5.3 million years ago, the natural barrier separating the Atlantic and Mediterranean finally collapsed. Water from the Atlantic Ocean rushed through the Strait of Gibraltar. But this was not a gentle flow. It may have been a catastrophic flood. Scientists believe the water poured into the basin at speeds far greater than any modern river. Gigantic waterfalls may have formed, thousands of meters high. The basin began filling rapidly. Over time, the Mediterranean Sea returned, but the flood that refilled it may have reshaped the entire region. In a relatively short geological time, the Mediterranean Sea was reborn. As Atlantic water continued rushing into the basin, the enormous desert slowly disappeared beneath rising seas. Salt plains dissolved, deep valleys filled with water. The Mediterranean returned to something resembling the sea we know today. This event is sometimes called the Zanclean Flood, and it may have filled the basin within a few thousand years, or possibly even faster. Once again, the Mediterranean became connected to the global ocean, and the dramatic chapter of the Messinian salinity crisis came to an end. How do scientists know any of this actually happened? The answer lies hidden beneath the ocean floor. Deep beneath the Mediterranean seabed, scientists have discovered enormous layers of salt. These deposits can be over a kilometer thick in some regions. Geological surveys and drilling projects have revealed the strange history hidden below the surface. Canyons carved by ancient rivers also provide clues. Some of these valleys extend far below modern sea level, suggesting that rivers once flowed across a much deeper landscape. Together, these discoveries support the idea that the Mediterranean once nearly disappeared. The Mediterranean Sea we see today feels permanent, but Earth's history shows that even entire seas can disappear. The story of the Messinian salinity crisis reminds us that our planet is constantly changing. Seas rise and fall, mountains form and erode. Entire landscapes transform over millions of years. What seems permanent today may one day vanish. Welcome to Earth and Time. If you enjoyed this journey into one of the most dramatic geological events in our planet's history, don't forget to like and subscribe to Earth and Time for more incredible stories about our changing world, because the story of Earth is still unfolding.